Tired of feeling overwhelmed by your emotions? What if I told you that the key to greater self-awareness, fulfilling relationships, and personal success is mastering your emotional intelligence? In today's video, we're going to deep dive into how emotional intelligence can transform your life and show you how to unlock your true potential. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share my friend's story and practical strategies.
Peter, what he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, you bully me, everyone asks. Liquid asking.
You can start using right away to improve your emotional skills. And don't forget to subscribe. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for more powerful content like this.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Are you struggling to navigate challenging situations or build meaningful connections with others? Maybe you find yourself getting caught up in intense emotions or having trouble expressing yourself effectively. The good news is you're not alone, and there's a solution. This video will reveal the practical strategies to understand and manage your emotions, leading to improved communication, resilience, and personal growth. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to build stronger relationships and find greater peace within yourself. Did you know that emotional intelligence is actually more important than IQ when it comes to achieving long-term success? It's true, emotional intelligence, or EQ, plays a major role in how we manage our emotions, communicate with others, and make decisions. And today, we're going to explore the science behind emotional intelligence and how you can boost your EQ to thrive in every area of your life. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is emotional intelligence? It's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, as well as the ability to recognize, understand, and influence the emotions of others. The concept was first introduced by Daniel Goleman, and it's made up of 5 key components. 1. Self-awareness, recognizing your own emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. 2. Self-regulation, being able to control or redirect disruptive emotions and impulses. 3. Motivation, harnessing emotions to pursue goals with energy and persistence. 4. Empathy, understanding the emotions of others. 5. Social skills, managing relationships to move people in desired directions. Each of these skills is essential to emotional intelligence, and when you understand them, you'll be able to manage your feelings more effectively, navigate challenging situations with ease, and create deeper, more meaningful relationships. Now let's talk a bit about the science behind emotional intelligence. Research has shown that individuals with high emotional intelligence tend to perform better at work, have stronger relationships, and experience less stress. This is because emotional intelligence helps us regulate our emotions, especially during stressful situations. For example, when you're under pressure, someone with high EQ can stay calm, think clearly, and make rational decisions, while someone with low EQ might react impulsively, leading to poor decisions and conflicts. Simply put, your ability to manage your emotions directly impacts your success in life. So how can you improve your emotional intelligence? Here are some actionable strategies you can start using today. Step 1. Practice mindfulness. Being mindful of your emotions helps you become more self-aware. Start by taking a few moments each day to check in with yourself. Notice what you're feeling and ask yourself why. This will give you better insight into your emotional patterns. Step 2. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process them more effectively. If you're feeling overwhelmed, try journaling about it. It helps you make sense of your emotions and figure out how to respond to them. Step 3.
And I've decided that I want to die.
Practice active listening. When communicating with others, really listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Listen to understand. This strengthens your empathy and helps you respond more thoughtfully, which leads to better relationships. Step 4. Pause before reacting. Emotional regulation is all about pausing. Before you react, when you feel triggered, Take a deep breath and give yourself a moment to think. This simple pause can help you avoid impulsive reactions and handle situations with more emotional control. Step 5. Seek feedback. One of the best ways to grow your emotional intelligence is to ask for feedback from others. Ask how they perceive your emotional reactions, how you communicate, and how you handle stress. This can give you valuable insights into areas where you can improve. Let's look at this example of how emotional intelligence plays out in real life. Sarah had a tough conversation with a friend who was upset. Instead of reacting defensively, she took a moment to listen carefully, expressed empathy, and responded calmly. As a result, the conversation went smoothly, and they both left feeling understood. The example shows that how improving your emotional intelligence can help you handle difficult situations with ease, improve your relationships, and boost your personal success. To wrap up, emotional intelligence is a game changer. It's not just about understanding your own emotions, but about how you respond to and interact with others. By practicing mindfulness, active listening, and emotional regulation, you can build a life filled with deeper connections, personal growth, and lasting success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these strategies. And leave a comment below. What's one area of your emotional intelligence that you're excited to improve? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and remember, master your emotions and you master your life. I'll see you in the next video. As always, love you all.